I had a camera running for 10 minutes. Poor Ziggy Marley. Another lightning flash.
The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Windsor County in southern Vermont, Orange County in central Vermont, Lamoille County in northwestern Vermont, northeastern Chittenden County in northwestern Vermont, southern Orleans County in northeastern Vermont, Washington County in central Vermont, central Essex County in northeastern Vermont, southern Franklin County in northwestern Vermont, east central Addison County in central Vermont, Caledonia County in northeastern Vermont until 1:50 a.m. At 12:20 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Waterville to near Montpelier to Bethel, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include